So first you're going to make sure that your battery is fully charged and fully operational. Then you're going to want to make sure that if you have travel locks on your room, that you get those removed. Now what you're going to do is you're going to press and hold this extend button until the room is fully extended and the inner seal is sealed against the inside of your unit. Now let's retract the room so that the fascia on the room itself seals against the outside of the unit. In the event that you have an electrical problem, perhaps your battery is dead, you're going to want to utilize the manual override feature that's built into the through-frame slide-out system. Now there's a couple different versions of the manual override, but this one right here we're going to look at has an extension rod that attaches to the electric actuator motor, and that extends through the I-beam here, so it gives you access outside the frame. Now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to unhook that battery so you don't have electric backfeed preventing damage to the system. Now go ahead and connect the manual override crank to the extension rod. Now you're going to turn this counterclockwise to extend the room out and clockwise to retract the room all the way in. Now pay attention to the in and out stops. When you crank that all the way in, you'll feel the resistance there. Go ahead and stop. The room is completely retracted in. You can overcrank this and damage the system. On the other version of manual override, you're going to not have that connector rod that goes through the I-beam. You're just going to have a hex nut attached to the electric actuator motor. And you're going to have to access this through the underbelly. But everything else applies. You're just going to utilize a ratchet here and attach it to the hex nut. So you're going to do clockwise to retract the room and counterclockwise to extend it.